So today we start a new topic, that is the internal structure of Earth. So direct observation of the Earth, of the interior of the Earth, is not possible, as we know, because as we go deeper inside the Earth, the temperature increases. हमें पता है कि हम जैसे जैसे अर्थ के इंटीरियर में जाएंगे वैसे वैसे हमारा टेम्परेचर जो है वो इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. तो हम किसी भी डायरेक्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन से अपने इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अर्थ को पता नहीं लगा सकते. सो अब हम इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अर्थ को कैसे पता लगाएंगे? इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अर्थ को हम पता लगाने के लिए कुछ इनडायरेक्ट एविडेंसेस का यूज़ करते हैं. इनडायरेक्ट एविडेंसेस जो हैं वो है हमारी सिस्मोलॉजिकल एविडेंसेस. जो हमारी सिस्मिक वेव्स निकलती हैं उनसे हम जो है अपने इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अर्थ के बारे में पता लगाते हैं. हमारे पास मेनली 3 तरीके की वेव्स होती हैं, पी वेव्स, एस वेव्स और एल वेव्स, जिनके बारे में अब हम पढ़ते हैं. ओके, so the 3 types of waves we have is the longitudinal, primary or the P waves. The second one is the transverse, secondary or the S waves. We also call it as the shear waves. The third waves we have is the surface, L waves, Rayleigh or the R waves. Okay, so we're gonna start with the first, that is the longitudinal, primary or the P waves. So first we start with the longitudinal, primary or the P waves. I have made these points so that you can easily understand it, and you can also write it in your university exams, like in which you have to write descriptively. So longitudinal, primary, the P waves. These waves is similar to the sound waves, in which the vibration of the medium is parallel to the direction of the propagation of wave. The second point is that it can travel in solid, liquid and gaseous medium. ये आपकी solid और liquid और gaseous medium तीनों mediums में आपकी ये travel कर सकती है. The third is that it has short wavelength and the high frequency. Okay, so this is longitudinal, primary or the P waves. Now we start with the second, that is the transverse wave. So the second one is the transverse, secondary, S waves or the shear waves. So in this, the vibration of the particle is perpendicular to the direction of the propagation of waves. As we know, in the longitudinal, the vibration of the particle is parallel to the direction of the propagation of waves, but in this it is perpendicular. The second one is that it can travel only in solid medium. ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ solid में ही चलेंगी. The third one is that the short wavelength and the high frequency, and the fourth one is that in comparison to P waves, they are slow in motion. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you all, because now we are starting with the surface waves, L waves, Rayleigh waves or the R waves. These waves are the transverse waves confined to outer skin of crust. As we know that the secondary waves are also transverse waves. Transverse waves means that the direction of the propagation of particle is perpendicular to the direction of propagation of wave. So these waves are generally at the outer skin of the crust. Okay. The second point is that it is responsible for most of the destructive force of earthquake. तो हमारे अर्थक्वेक में जितना भी डिस्ट्रक्शन जो सबसे ज्यादा होता है वो हमारा सरफेस वेव्स की वजह से ही होता है. The third point is that they have a low frequency, long wavelength and low velocity. So we have read about all 3 waves, the surface waves, longitudinal waves and the transverse waves. Now, so P and S waves velocity changes with depth, and each changes can be related to change in the material, and this gives us information about interior of Earth. So as the P and S waves go inside the interior of the Earth, so because there is a change came in the interior of Earth, so because of which the velocity changes. So that's why they give us information about the interior of the Earth. जैसे जैसे हमारी P और S waves जो हैं इंटीरियर ऑफ अर्थ में जाएंगी, वैसे वैसे उनकी वेलोसिटी चेंजेस हो जाएंगी, क्योंकि मटेरियल में चेंज आएगा, और जब मटेरियल में चेंज आएगा उनकी वेलोसिटी में चेंज आएगा, तो इससे हमें पता लगेगा कि देयर इज अ चेंज इन द इंटीरियर ऑफ अर्थ.